These are the elevators at 8:15. That 9833 is gone. Now, in case you didn't hear, this one got a new motor. The other one didn't. And that's it. Another 9833 out there. Door impulse. Don't want to spend too much time in here because I got thrown out of here last time I was here. New paint job, I think. Yeah, I'll show you. Three pulse stations in this one hallway. That's not annoying at all. Now, listen to this one. You can kind of hear it. It still has the original motor. And there's a 9833 right there. Actually, 4 pulse stations in this one hallway. Jesus. There's one here. Here. I think I saw something in here. No, I didn't. One there. And one there. Okay, that's it.